Sure. So sorry guys, andiyazi kwenza kantoni. My phone has got a problem here, but I will master this thing sooner or later. So see, what I was saying is that the man now is telling these ones, ukuthi ebanda kwethu, those of you who are standing here, some of you will not taste death until they see me coming from the skies. Yabo? So laa nto bendiyithetha nsithi apha kwi-Christianity kuneli gama lithi buyaqaphela xa kuthethwa ngoJesus Christ, iitayitile zabizwa ngazo kuthiwa he is the Son of God. But uSon of God u-interchangeable as the Son of Man. Yabo? So Jesus is the Son of God, but at the same time, he is the Son of Man. But if he is the Son of Man, why he does not have a father? Because already in the God side, God is his father, fine. But in the manhood side, who is his father? Because God does not do what he forbade even the fallen angels to do. So who is his father? Is these brethren, are they running from the fact that a normal human being can be divine? Is this the main issue here? Never ungumuntu nje ube divine like you have to have something unique. Then it means if bonke abanye abantu who does not have these things, they will have to find a way to make themselves divine. Then the way will be the Jesus. Meaning nigqatyiwe ngeskelemu. Yabo? Even if you can check these things, it's just a question like to reason more, If you ask about these things, iyafana like from the crimes that were done by a colonial system in the world. Imagine if the Bible didn't exist, there were no religion, nothing that existed for them to give us so that the religion teach us to love them. What type of world we will be living in today? Would we sit around waiting for Jesus to come? Do you know another trick that is here, that is deep in Christianity? Other prophets, they even said that the day of the coming of Jesus Christ, no one knows it. The day of the coming of the Son of Man, no one knows it. Not even him, the Son. Because by the manifestation of the Son of Man, that is a sign that it is the end of the world. Yeah, so this is a tricky situation that we find ourselves in. How is it possible that no one will see the Son of Man no one will ever know when the Son of Man is coming, but the Son of Man here in his lifetime, real time in flesh, standing in that time in hour, under that sun and weather, breathing that air, saying, kukho abantu abalapha kuni. Apha kuni nina nize nazomamela elizwi ndimthethayo namhlanje. Abanye bena bazufa bengakhange banibone. Meaning mhlawumbe phakathi kwabo bantu there were many different ages of people. Maybe they were young, that's why sithi bakhona abanye apha. So what time was this one? So are these people, all of them, still alive today? If no, possibilities here that are happening, Zito, it's either Jesus is lying or Jesus has already come back long ago. These are the two things that you can think about. You see, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what I wanted to show you guys. You see? And then we must check another thing. And if you can deeper in another time. Yabo, many different explanations have been suggested about what Jesus meant by the prediction. Most scholars, commentators agree he was referring to the transfiguration. Literally, the very next event mentioned by Matthew, Jesus will be transfigured from his full human form into his glorious kingdom appearance. as the Son of God. Uyava kuthiwa the Son of God, but buyaqaphela uGod utshintshatshintshwa no-man, but abantu they don't want to put man in zathini bathi bona it's an equal. You know, I don't know this thing of equality because abantu bathanda too much power. They don't want to put man like in his rightful place. You see, because the Bible, he said the Son of Man is the Son of God. Gestrosa, not this. The Bible does not say the Son of mankind. He does not say. There's no kind here. It says the Son of Man. You see, meaning ngesixhosa unyana womntu. Yabo, not unyana wabangathi ngabantu. Yabo, meaning xa ungathi uyakwazi uba ngathi, otherwise sithethe loo nto here. So apha we see uGod etshintshatshintshwa simultaneous or synonymously with man, Son of Man, Son of God, Son of. Is there something that we are not told here ekudlalwa ngayo nje ba a truth that is hidden in plain sight? Because ikona the concept that has been preached in this new age time ukuthi we are God. Or if this word God means the source of all things, we are it in expression. Yabo. That's why even him, Jesus, he is the Son of Man, because he is a part of the group which is mankind, which this group as a whole and with all the creation that it is amongst is the hidden one, or the God which is the source of all things. Nobody ke ngokuzange wabonwa nanguthathatha. You see? Okay. So ke banda kwethu nansi lento benifuna ukuyithetha nobana uJesus Christ, if itrue le ndayithethayo here, uJesus Christ wafa kudala wahamba, le event yakhe yokubuya yagqitha mntakwethu. So suzihlupha ulindane noJesus Christ. uJesus Christ akazubuya. Akabuyi. Nanko apha uyabaxelela, ndiphinde ndikufundele mhlawumbi noba intloko yakho iqinile, because akhona ababaqine gqithi ufumaniseke ngoku into seyithethwa ibekiwe phambi kwamehlo akhe, bafuna ukwenza le nto ibendiyinqanda phaa yofuna twist iscripture, tshintshe into ethetha lewe umntu afuna uyibeka ngolakho uhlobo. No, ayikho kwalaa nto ibekwe ngulaa NLT phaa. Yabo, it apha now he added kuMatthew 16:27, he added that some standing near to hear those words, meaning those he was talking, or amazwi lawa wayethetha wayepreacher, those ones would not, uthi ke ngoku words, would not die before seeing. Uya-emphasize apha uthi those, andiyani niyayazi English madoda, those words, I mean those who came to hear those words would not die before seeing the Son of Man. Jonga ngoku uyava, Son of Man apha ezantsi besitheni apha ezanatsi Son of God. Jonga phaa phezulu ngakulaa line ibomvu phaa ngakawujuke kwezaa lines zinemibala phaa phezulu apha on top of the screen. Yeah, nanku Son of Man, Son of God, nanku Son of God, nanku yambo. But uphinde kuthiweni apha, kuphinde kuthiwe the Son of Man. So isn't man God, or God is man? Because abantu bayayohlula le bathi man is something else, God is something else. So abanye bazake bethe kaloku it's just because Jesus was the one who come and bound umuntu, since umuntu waye waqhawukana nokuthi hey, but it didn't stop ukuthi he's Son of Man anyway. He does not say it about what ayibeki ukuthi under i-situations ezithini ne-compromisions ezithini le way. Yabo? Yeah. So benifuna nje uveza le point bantakwethu. Yabo? So uthi there's those standing there who will not taste death until they see the Son of Man coming from the clouds, or from the kingdom, or in the sky. Yeah, coming in his kingdom. Kingdom is in the sky, masibantakwethu. Yeah. So nithini ke ngongale nto bantakwethu? Ithwani into enje? Yabo? So if now nayo into bawela uyi-eda here, drop i-comment yakho kwi-session sincokole. Yabo? Yeah. And also maybe I will bring you along now sitshile sonke e-studio sometimes and censor these things, you know. So ke bantakwethu injalo yabo. Jongani ke ngoku ndifuna unibonisa something else yabo. Do you know, let me ask you something. Who is the firstborn of creation? Abanye bathi nguJesus Christ, the firstborn of creation. Yabo? If Jesus Christ is the firstborn of creation, meaning if Jesus is the firstborn of creation, he's the new Adam. Yeah, see? It means every age or race or every covenant that has been made, it has to have its own new Adam. So the Adam might say is the prophet who came to reveal the information to the people and who he is sent to lead them as the way. That is the Adam. Because the first Adam was the one who was put in the garden to take care of the garden. That was his mission. Now once he fell, people believed now the second Adam was Jesus Christ, to bring those who fell back to the highest state of divinity. So Jesus Christ, he is the Son of Man. If divine Jesus Christ while a Son of Man, it shows us that man is divine, because Jesus Christ is not the son of the fallen man of which we are today. So Jesus Christ, if we accept that Jesus Christ is divine, he is a God, it means man is a God, because he is the Son of Man. Mina, I am whatever my father was and my mother. I can never be something other than that, essentially in physical form. So definitely, if man, Jesus Christ was one of men, definitely himself, God is man. No, not mankind. God is not mankind. God is man, not mankind. uThixo ngumuntu, yabo, not abafana nabantu okanye abangathi ngabantu, mankind umzekelo, yabo. God is not mankind. Yeah, that's why kuthiwa kind. It's mankind, a lizard kind, yabo. Yazi, sometimes lo kind lona ngamanye amaxesha kuye ke kuthiwe uthetha ukuthini na, those who are like you, yabo, that kind, those who are like you. So Jesus Christ is not the son of those who are like men. He's the Son of Man himself, not of those who are like men. He's not the son of mankind, he's the Son of Man. You see? Yeah. So bantakwethu, Jesus Christ is not coming back. If he is still coming back, he was lying here, because these people died long ago here. Yabo? Yeah, see? Yeah. So ke bantakwethu, Matthew 16 verse 26, chapter 16 verse 26, usixelela clear nje ba hayi masincame bantazi, yabo. Le ndoda ayibuyile, yabuya kude yayixelela. Ngubani wavele waqhatha abantu wathi uJesus uxelela nina buya. Yanjonga kwafuneka soyichecka ke ngokwapha imake le kaMatthew, because mhlawumbi I might not be able to come back here, yabo. Utsho apha uJesus Christ uthi, masixa siphinda sifunde uMatthew 16, uthi now kuthiwa phaya, now he added that some standing near to hear those words ebezithetha ngelo xesha would not die before they see the Son of Man coming in his kingdom, meaning ngamagama avakalayo. He added ukuthi abanye abalapha kufutshane abazovala amazwi abazufa bengambonanga unyana womntu ebuya ebukumkanini, meaning unyana womntu ngubani? Unyana undim mna mntu uthethayo. But the brother, why he always spoke as if he is the second person? You know, like Jesus Christ, he always spoke as if he is the second person here when he spoke. Maybe mhlawumbe leli hlobo lokurilisha labo bebe-communicate, because sometimes it seems not even him himself, Jesus, is aware that there is something greater or someone greater than him. Yabo. So we not know ukuthi uthetha kwi-point of flesh, a reference to a spirit which is the Christ, while yena Jesus the flesh, we are not sure. But something here is it's not fitting well for me. Maybe mhlambe ndi-confused kancinci yabo. So now masiyochecka ke ngoku leyo uba yabona apho utshilo mos uba uzawubuya nini, yabo uzawubuya kule age of Matthew he is speaking about. Ngoku ke ngoku into masiyoyikhangela ke masiphinde sikhangele ukuthi sikhangele ukuthi into esiyifunayo ke ngosifuna ujonga uba njengoba esithi uJesus phaa kuMatthew uzawubuya kulaa age, because thina sikho after 2000 years from that time, even more than that mhlawumbi. So ngoku asisekho thina ayisathethe nathi le nto, thina siphumile ngoyicaleni le way. So into esifuna uyijonga ke ngobantu bethu sijonga ntoni, masiqale sitsheke laa nto ithetha ngoba sithi no one knows the hour of the coming of the Lord. Ndibhalelwe hlobo tyhini sekwakuMatthew le way. Hayi ke ngoku madoda nithini nangonantso uMateyu uyaziqephula uMateyu, jonga kuthiwa ke ngoku kuMatthew 24 chapter 24 verse 36, but about that day, masike sibuye umva kancinci sikhe sibambe phaa ayinayo ile nto elandelayo. Okay, ndingathi yabhabha actually wixa iqamba kanye ndim no. Okay, 36, 35. Okay, let us go then. Kuthiwa heaven and earth will pass, but my words will never pass. Yava ke ngoku here uJesus uyabaxa apha, uyaconfirm uJesus Christ apha here, yabo ukuthi zikhona izinto ezinothethwa nje zigqithe, meaning into nje ibithethwa kudlala, kubona into uyithethe nje ungayihoyi igqithe, ya. But mna le ndiyithethayo into ngeke ivele igqithe, it has to happen. Apho uyasikhonfemela uJesus apha, yabo ebesixelele phaa kulaa majida wathi ke ngoku njengoba apha ekhonfema ukuthi into ayithethayo inongenzeki, surely now siyaphinda siyafumana again uyakhonfema uJesus Christ ukuthi kwaba bantu babephila kulaa age waye wabuya yena, if wabuya awufutsha kakabhalwa kuthiwa ukuthi lo simlindile sizama usota loo nto kuthiwani kanti, because in that time ubaxelele uJesus Christ uzawubuya kwaba bantu kulaa age abo. Ayikho laa event ayibhalwanga ukubuya kwakhe eglorini nee-angels nee-judgment, ayibhalwanga nokodwa uthe uzawubuya kulaa age. Ngoku uthini apha ngoku ku-24 heaven and okay ezibabe simchazile le. Okay, masiyigqithe sithi apha sithi 24:36, but about that day and hour no one will know, about that day or hour no one knows, not even angels in heaven nor the Son himself. Uyava? Who is lying here? Who is lying? Not even Jesus himself knows ukuthi uzawubuya nini, because kaloku bekuthiwe his existence, he's coming mark the end of the world. So kanjani even him he does not know, kodwa phaa kule chapter sigqitha kuyo uthi kulaa madoda uzawubuya bekhona abanye abaphilayo there, but apha uyayibona apha ethini kuthiwa but only the Father. So apha miste nabo bumenemene sidla ngothetha ngabo sithi iBhayibhile yayibhalelwe as the book of i-agenda of whoever knew ukuthi in power esi nasi isikelemi esinomsebenzela once he can take over the world. Because iyikhumbule i-scripture siza ne-religion, i-religion got the power to bound i-minds zabantu abaninzi into one idea, and of which that thing ayenzeki without a religion here. Outside even politics, everyone is standing with his own ideas. Uqala esitratweni uyotsho ekhayeni uyotsho kwi-politics esikolweni uyotsho ecaweni. phakathi in this time. But if you can see it, even though kunjalo, but abantu benkonzo they can, isekhona la power yokwakubumbana, that collectivity of collecting minds, you see, that the Bible is able to do. But now here kuthiwa no, the Son himself does not know. So yes, akazazi ubuya nini, itsho ngokwapha kuMatthew. So ngomphonyanisileyo uMatthew lilokonye uthetha eziphikisa okanye ayingoMatthew luthetha nguJesus Christ, yabo lo hayi bethetha pha ngoku ngubani apha ngubani apha. So akwaba bekukho incwadi where we can check Matthew 24:36 ne. Okay, sizama ukuthi Matthew 24:36 masimjonga apha lo Matthew. Simjonga apha lo Matthew, masimjonga apha lo Matthew. Simjonga apha lo Matthew. Matthew 24:36. Yeah. Thini uMatthew kutheni bibuye iveze olu hlobo nali wena? Hey madoda, hayi nto zabelungu. Okay, masikabe sinyamezela, sanyamezela evela apha endawethu. Sinoba sakhala kuthiwa Matthew 24:26. Yeah, so if we can check this thing, still saveze la hlobo ne. But ke ngoku masike sijonge kula mazwi alula phaa kula NLT uthanda uthetha la Vube wakhe, sike sibone this time akanocacisa kakuhle. However, no one knows the day or the hour when these things will happen, not even the angels in heaven nor the Son of Man, only the Father. Okay, when what? Which things are they talking about? Or when heaven and earth will pass away. Yabona ke ngoku apha what is so nice and so confirmative is that apha uthi uJesus apha uyabo usixelela ngenonobana ezi events athetha ngazo apha ndifuna sazi uyolanda ezi things, which are these things? I think I need a Bible that is so all right. Mark. Yeah, it's better silanda olu hlobo. Makuthini. Jesus said to the crown disciple, the scribe for us is and also said above this, I tell you, I will tell you the state of the preaching. But you do not practice for the prepared that they tired up you the burdens and pain. So the state was not any it's another Nzwambu concept. Well, when you look at the Bible all the time, you will always find something new. Okay. This building. What we are finding in these past chapters, we find the events Jesus talked about in the previous chapters, before that chapter, as bethetha kula madoda into nokubana kwamanye uread sechilo phaba uyawuthebuya, I mean awuthe sifa